Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, one of the best online money making opportunities out there, in my opinion, is Nexus Rewards. Now, one of the cool things about Nexus Rewards is its low startup costs, all right? Because a lot of times when you think about money making opportunities or online business opportunities, there's some sort of cost involved with it. Now, sometimes it could be in the thousands of dollars to get started with the opportunity. Sometimes it's only like $99 to get started with an online business opportunity. But what makes Nexus Rewards so dope is its low, very low startup costs. So one of the reasons I joined Nexus Rewards as a premium member is because of its low startup costs. And when you see how little this opportunity costs to get started with, and when you see the earning potential, it is an absolute no-brainer. I'm about to let one of the co-owners of Nexus Rewards share with you the good news about how much it costs to get started with Nexus Rewards and to actually start building multiple streams of income. I'm sure after you get done watching this video, you're gonna be super excited about this opportunity and you're gonna wanna get started with it. And all you need to do is click that first link in the description, sign up, and start building your income. And I say this all the time, if I can do this, you can do this. Let's go.
Okay, unique selling point number 3, the cost to join this thing. It is really inexpensive. It's only $21.95. Okay, it's not $50 a month. It's not $100. It's not $150. It's not $200. It's not $500 to join. It's not $1,000. It's $21.95. It's something that anyone and everyone can afford. Okay, you can easily get into profit just by using our apps and our savings portals. Right, you're going to make more than 21. People are making hundreds. Okay. A program that can make you a fortune in residual income that only costs $21.95? Huh? How is that possible? Well, this is the getting started. It's $21.95 a month. There is a one-time $10 setup fee when you're getting going. Okay, hope that didn't break the bank. But it's super affordable to anyone. As Henry Ford said, you sell to the masses to dine with the classes. And that's exactly what we're doing here, okay? We're going to show you how you can take pocket change and turn it into a really great residual income, okay? A lot of members only pay once, huh? How does that work, Art? Well, they pay their cost to join, right, $21.95, the one-time $10 fee, and then they take advantage of our compensation plan. So they only pay once, they never, ever pay again.